I'm about to try some stingray. Get some revenge for Steve Irwin, my boy. They did him dirty.
Oh, what's a hawker center? So it's an area with a lot of stalls selling different things. Each stall specializes in just one thing in particular.
Oh, I'm ready to eat this. I've been starving all day, traveled for 19 hours. I'm about to get all the food I get. Let's do it. Alright, I'm super stoked. We're here at the Hawker Center, Lau Pa Sat. I'm about to eat all the food in here. Super excited right now. This place is like a food amusement park. I'm about to go in on everything, literally. I'm gonna let my man do the ordering though. So
Yeah?
he's a true Singaporean. Order all the best dishes for us.
Just kidding, I don't know.
Alright, so me and Leia are waiting while the professional, Sean, does his research and gets us all the food. So.
Dan's gonna be crazy and try some stingray.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some stingray and pig intestines, so stay tuned.
Yes, that's a chicken rice. Oh, alright. First time then. Chicken rice. Gotta try this. National dish. This is like a mix of pig organs and so it's like pig organs and stuff. So I don't know, you might like it, you might not. See what happens.
Yeah.
Pig organ. But try it. Pretty fire. Really chewy, sweet. I like it.
It's usually intestines for me, not the liver.
The pig intestines.
Liver? No, there's no liver, it's just intestines.
Trying the Hainan chicken. See how it compares to Americans. Super tender and juicy. Fire.
Sean is getting more noodles and I ordered stingray. So you'll see that soon. Ban mian. So it's noodles. Special kind of noodles. Oh, it's the thick kind. I think these are the egg noodles. If I'm not wrong, so they coat it in egg. Yeah, there are many different kinds of noodles, so depends on which one you like.
Let's try some of these noodles. Ban miang. Need some ban miang noodles.
Yeah, it's just a type of noodles.
Oh, it's hot. Pretty good. There's Vietnamese noodles called ban can. It's like kind of udon. It kind of tastes like a mixture of egg noodle and ban can. Pretty far.
So good.
Tell us what you think of the carrot cake.
Tastes like potatoes.
Potatoes? Pretty good. She wasn't lying.
This is stingray, and I'm going to squeeze the lime.
I'm about to try some stingray. Wish me luck. I'm about to get some revenge for Steve Irwin, my boy. They did him dirty. Try this. Steve Irwin, this for you. Pretty good. It tastes like sour fish. Okay, that sounds kind of bad, but like, it tastes like fried fish. It's really tasty. I actually really like it. I'm very glad I tried that. In all, my final thoughts, I'm in a daze right now. Everything was super fire. The stingray really surprised me. It tastes like chicken fish. It was really meaty and the sauce was really good. And the pork intestines were really sweet and good as well. And everything was just super delicious. And I'm about to go into food coma, but we can't end this without dessert.
Take a picture. I feel like I should move the food.
Yeah, no worries. This is ice kacang, the shaved ice. With lots of nice sugary things in it. This is almond jelly. Yeah, so it's jelly.
Aloe vera.
Oh, and aloe vera.
Yeah. Ice jelly.
Ice jelly and aloe vera. This is called cheng cheng. What is in it? There's like various like fruits that usually found around Southeast Asia. So is this longan?
Yeah, there's like dried longans and red date.
Is this
some fungus.
the fungi, white fungus.
Yeah, white fungus.
White fungus and like it's very sweet.
Yeah.
It's just a sweet dessert.
Yeah. This is like warm and the two are cold.
This is more Asianish, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright.